Hey guys, welcome back to class. I will be your math teacher. So today the problem we're going to be working on is y equals 4 tangent 2x. So we want to go ahead and find our a value, which is equal to 4 because the a value is always located in front of tangent. Our b will be located in front of x, which is 2. And then we want to go straight to our p, which stands for period. For tangent, period is a different thing. So we'll use pi to represent tangent because it has a different function. It's not like the rest. So we're going to do pi divided by 2. Now the reason for this is because we want to go ahead and use these information to start plotting our quarter points. That way we can plot a tangent. Now p over 4 stands for period divided by 4. This will help us assess our quarter points and will help us graph 4 tangent over 2x. Now what I'm doing is I'm already multiplying by 1 over 4 because we all know that dividing by 4 will just flip the reciprocal. So it won't do us no good dividing. It'll just take up more space and time. Now we want to go ahead and use this to our to plot our points. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna sketch two periods, and I'm gonna show you what that kind of looks like. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna start drawing the lines. That way we don't waste time. Then I'm gonna go straight to the A, which kind of acts like amplitude. Our A is over 4, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up these quarter points. Now I'm gonna place them. Now we have 4, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place -4. Now our quarter point is pi over 8, so I'm gonna go ahead and start drawing that in. Now we're gonna be counting by pi over 8, so next one would be 2 pi over 8 or pi over 4, and so on and so on. So our last one would be pi over 2. Then if we fill up the gap, it would be 3 pi over 8. So you notice how we got to pi over 2. Now the reason for that being is that we made a full rotation around the circle, as you could say, or half rotation. I'm not sure how tangent works with the unit circle, but I do know that that's one full period, as we did the math for it already. So now we have negative pi over 4, since we are going by pi over 8. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start drawing our asymptotes. Our asymptotes are undefined values. So a good example would be if our coordinate was 0, 1. Since tangent, the function of tangent is y over x, it would be impossible to divide 1 over 0. So that's what the lines kind of represent. Now we're going to go ahead and place our middle point, and we already did. And then we're going to place our top right corner point, and then our bottom left corner point. Now we draw the line and then the arrow, and it shows us kind of what tangent looks like. So I did a little curve at the end because if you were to graph this on Desmos, it gives that curve. So because of the asymptote kind of is like an invisible barrier. Now all we have to do is basically copy and paste. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw our second point. We're going to sketch our second period. Middle point again, top right corner, and then bottom left corner, and then you're set. Just draw the line, do the curvature, and you correctly graph tangent.